Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly Skipworth, and if you're new here, hi, and please subscribe. So today I have got a mystery box that I bought on eBay, and it's a mystery box, so I don't know what's in it. It cost £25 and the retail price was £50. So I got it this morning, and so let's have a look inside. I have had a sneaky peek, but you're gonna love what's inside it. So for my first item, I have Naked Urban Decay mascara. I think it's mascara. Yeah, extra length mascara. So I've put my base makeup on, so I thought I'd try these products out. So it comes in a nice bottle. Oh, it's a thin brush. Let's try and get a bit. Doesn't seem to be working. Can you tell, guys? I may need a mirror to do this. Oh yeah, I can see in the mirror. It's defining the lashes. Yeah, that's really nice, that. Just do the other eye. Yeah, I like that. It's not like over the top mascara. It's quite, it gets every single lash. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite good actually. Right. So I can see what's in the box, and you are going to be excited about what is next in the box. So remember, I only spent £25 and I got not one but two Kylie lipsticks. So I'm well chuffed about this because I follow Kylie on Instagram, and I see her makeup all the time, and I think, oh, I wish I could have that makeup. And I thought it might be too expensive for me to buy, but I've got two now, so I'm really happy. So let's open the blue one. So in this you get a matte liquid lipstick and a lip liner. And this one's called Skyline. Ooh, it's blue. Oh my god. It's blue. I may have to give this to my daughter. I'm not really a blue person. Not for lips. My daughter would wear it though. Oh, that's a shame. I was hoping it was going to be a colour that I could wear. I'll keep that from Melissa. Right, let's open the Dulce K. This might be more my colour. And yeah, it's a brownie one, which I like. I like to wear brownie lipsticks. And then that's the lip liner. Right, so let's try that on. Right. And let's put the lip gloss on. Yeah, I like that. Billy! Play. Sorry, the dog. Right, yeah. I quite like that. I like that. I should be keeping this one. And then I got another lipstick. It's Velour liquid lipstick. It's not coming out. That's the packaging, by the way. I forgot to show you. Well, if it had come out. There we go. Oh, that's quite pretty. I like that. Lift it open it. Oh, it's that way. I think it's black. Not great. That's two lipsticks that I wouldn't wear. So, not really a black lipstick wearing person. I like my browns. So I think that one's going to go to my daughter as well. I'm sure she'll wear it. Yeah, that's a shame that. So out of the 4 things that I got, I'm only keeping 2. So that's a shame. Obviously they won't go to waste. My daughter will happily have the makeup. Yeah, I do like this lipstick though. I think it's really nice, and I really like the mascara. I think it's very nice. So have I wasted my money? Well, no, because I've got 2 items for Christmas that I can give as presents, and I've got 2 things for myself. So a win-win, I think. So if you're thinking about getting a mystery box, then I would consider going for the £25 mark. Obviously you get good brands. Kylie is a good brand. So yeah, so if you want to do a mystery box, then go ahead. I just thought I'd share you mine, and I thought it'd be interesting to see what it is. So yeah, so good. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.